Welcome back to College Kitchen. Today we're going to teach you how to make mug pizza.
So, we were researching over the Christmas holiday. Mostly it was me.
Yeah.
I was trying to find stuff that would be easy to make in the microwave, but also delicious. And I found a recipe for something called mug pizza. What?
Sounds a little weird.
Interesting.
A little sketchy.
Yeah, because we made mug cake in a previous video.
Yeah.
If you want to watch that, you can click the title card. And it turned out pretty good.
It did.
And it was really easy.
But I don't understand how it's going to translate to pizza.
Well, we're going to try it today.
So we'll see.
Yeah, we're going to try it, see if it works, and let you know if we give it a thumbs up for every college student should make this, or a thumbs down for
No one make it.
exactly.
We'll see though. We don't know yet.
So if you like this video, make sure and subscribe so you can keep up on all of our videos. And our next few videos are actually going to be pizza themed videos. So make sure and come back for those.
Pizza is the best food for anyone.
Oh my gosh.
Honestly.
It's so delicious.
So you're welcome for the pizza theme.
It looks like pizza. The cheese is melted.
I can't see the dough. No idea if that's cooked.
It looks like it's kind of puffed up.
Yeah, so hopefully. Okay, let me get a bite.
And again, it didn't blow up, which I was super happy about.
That dough, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty cooked.
That's literally
My
dough.
Pepperoni. My pepperoni. Wait, okay. Okay, do you see that?
Whoa, look at the cheese.
So cheesy.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. I think we can try it.
Oh, this looks fancy. I'm nervous but excited. That is like pizza dough. How is that possible?
I don't know.
75 seconds in the microwave and we just made a freaking homemade pizza.
Like, this is perfect for like a midnight snack or something. You know, you're up late studying.
Yes.
You're like, I need some pizza, but like, I don't want to order any. That's $1 million. I don't have anywhere to go. Driving's $1 million. Just make a mug pizza.
Mug pizza will
Plus,
solve all of the
it's
problems.
a nice portion size so that you don't end up eating a whole pizza by yourself.
Exactly. Oh, that's such a good point.
Man, these are just magical.
We are really excited about these mug things that we've been discovering.
They're pretty fancy.
They're pretty fancy, they're pretty delicious, and they solve all the world's problems.
They really do. Mugs are the best gift you could ever give.
First of all, you can put coffee in your mug. Second of all, you can make all sorts of things besides coffee.
Hot chocolate, tea, just a normal drink if you're just feeling fancy.
Pizza,
Cake,
brownies,
other things.
We'll find some other things and we'll make more videos.
This will be a series.
Yeah. Well, there you have it. We taught you how to make mug pizza, and for us, it was pretty successful.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
Yeah.
Tell us in the comments what you think we should make next on College Kitchen.
Yeah, we would like your suggestions, and we want to know what you're just dying to know how to make. So comment below. Thanks so much for watching. You guys were amazing. Make sure and give us a thumbs up.
Okay, bye.